My people are great to now 12 for now. Today na happy day. As this pandemic, they go on. A lot of people they run up and down. Some people they fear, and while some people still they happy. You understand? One worry pastor they call Pastor Michael Akpo. They call him Koro, and he constantly say God go punish Koro, and now true God go really punish Koro. Imagine God don't punish Koro. God don't disappoint Koro. A lot of people they born. So many people don't born during this coronavirus, and at the same time, now so I tell receive call. Now ask hello, who is you? And the person tell me say na me Jeffrey the boss from Italy. I say wow, what the heck? This is what you call me today. What did they happen? I tell me say you get one thing when I want me you help me do. I say what is it? Tell me. Even if when I go carry coronavirus come from you, I go. But say no be that one. This one pass that one. I say tell me. Say one of your lovely sister that they call her Elizabeth Omoroge. No, sorry, Elizabeth Omorodion. Let me not go give her another name. Elizabeth Omorodion. He say now today be birthday. I say what? That's why you can say make a help her, wish her happy birthday. You can't just wire my account. You understand? Say wow, that is gonna say I go talk her. So you not see the pronunciation. If you not I there, you wanna come see me. I see now I want to talk to the boss, Jeffrey the boss. You understand? So my sister, my princess. Now your blood brother, your very wonderful good brother. Now he say now he pay me, say make I help and wish you happy birthday. He say make I tell the whole world say you na no go area. Say he love you well. Say anybody will be say I dare you must come through him. So my people I beg mona join me wish am happy birthday. Two of them they live for Italy. Just imagine brother sister. Now those people they do they enjoy. They live for Italy. His name na Elizabeth Omorodion. Abemona help me wish her happy birthday. He comes to say me I pray for you. And no be only me. No say if I do this kind of thing, no be only me they pray for you. Even my fans, people who they watch and they see they pray for their prayer self. Their prayer is sharp like hammer. So Abemona help me pray for her. Waiting carry and come Europe. You go achieve her. Europe no go swallow you. As you they celebrate now, you go see many years. You understand? You go live long, and everything what you desire, God go grant her. Your wilderness, you go become a fruitful field. Fruitful field. We say many things go there, many goodies, and your fruitful fields. When we say people think say nothing there, you come become forest. Instead of forest, you go see many animals, you go see many human beings, you see a lot of things, and your forest will come turn to. You understand now? You come turn to a lot of goodies. Everything we don't ever wish for life, you go receive her. Government go favor you. Europe government go favor you. Any country where be say your mind just dey, where be say your leg just enter, they go favor you. Say wetin I want to talk be this. I mean of the be say I say they celebrate birthday. I want let you know. Say my gift now, and the gift will be say brother one give and nine be this one. So we say the whole world want celebrate her. If human being they buy car, they buy things. Just imagine the gift where God want give you. So now every birthday they get your gift where God attach put. Just imagine as this princess they celebrate birthday now this year. Just imagine the kind of gift will be say he go receive. In this pandemic, as he still celebrating, he say me will still thank God for your life. You understand? God already preserve you. Bible talk and say God go preserve your going out and as they come inside house, and he can't say God not go allow the sun make the sun just jam you, or he not go allow the moon just fall on top of you. He say he go preserve your soul, no enemy go fit before you. I want to give you this kind of prayer. Anybody will be say that they gossip you, anything that they eat, Anything they eat, if na bone that they eat, if na water they drink, the water you go hand for their throat. As they gossip your matter. Anybody will be say that they plan for your downfall, now then go fall. So now the prayer will be say I get for now. But my people are not get much to say. But I just join me to wish them happy birthday. And the people will be say that they sponsor this one. Now be Jeffrey the boss. Me, Agbons, God's power, and Julius Idemudia, where people they know him as Chief Ude. Now we gather hand together, say, we will celebrate this princess like this. And my people wanna still help me pray for them and still help me wish them happy birthday. And maybe Agbons, God's power, but Mona just hear the small music where I just give her and Mona subscribe to Agbons TV. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Egungun Nola TV. Everywhere. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, Samuel, you come up. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, Samuel, you come up. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Baba Marie, savez nous papa, 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 papa,